I went to like 6 different places looking for an orange pumpkin and I couldn't find one. So in the end, I used these little candles and this container, candy container I had, put a candle in that. So I improvised. They're doing this festival. It costs 25 euros to enter, so we're not sure that we're going to enter today, but maybe tomorrow, which is November 1st, and this evening is when they do the big bonfire though, so I think we're going to miss that though. But so I don't really know anything about this festival. It's the first year ever that they're doing it. There are Celtic bands from Germany, Ireland, and different places who are playing here. Today there are a lot of people in costumes, which is really cool. I have my cell phone. Hi, I have my cell phone here and I'm using this to film because my other camera ran out of battery and we came back to the Halloween festival or Celtic festival that they're doing in Parco del Revellino in Osopo, and so we're gonna check it out. It's very beautiful around here. They have a restaurant here. This is the menu. Bad, not bad. I'll go in the shop. As far as prices go. These diavoli. Oh, those are drinks. Di sette diavoli. Cool. That's where they had the bonfire the night before, which was Halloween night. I don't know what the kids are doing. So cute this is. I want to film this part. Look at that.
You give the picture of Freyja and then it does the Freyja on the wood.
They have some jewelry here as well. Books of shadows.
This is the man who does the ritratti of the animals.
Ah, so ask him how much it costs. Ciao. They did a set of runes.
Yeah. From Milan, yes.
Halloween costume. So pretty. Witches hats. Those clothes are really pretty too. And then they have some really cool things over there. It's really pretty. That hat is really cool. I think this shop is actually really cool. The masks too. Beautiful masks. And handmade books. So cute. Che belle. Mi sta facendo This is gnocchi di zucca with ricotta on top. Pumpkin gnocchi and just some cheese. But like this costs €5, this plate of cheese. It's like that. And this costs €6. So the plates are quite expensive but small, no? And too much. And Enrico got a Guinness and we have water. There's people around. Is it good? Yeah?
I like you.
Yeah. Hey Freyja. Sleeping. So while we were out drinking wine, Freyja was in bed sleeping. When she's home alone, she doesn't know what to do and she's always sleeping. What do you smell?